Hey guys, welcome to Rev Hard Garage. Today I wanted to show you how to remove the door panel from a Duramax 2500 Chevy truck. This is an 05, but I'm sure it applies to many other years. It's not the same as your typical Chevy vehicle. You know, most of them you can just kind of pop everything loose. You probably got a screw somewhere around the handle and somewhere behind, you know, the door lock mechanism. I'm going to walk you through this one right quick. It's actually pretty simple if you know the little tricks. So on this guy right here, you're going to pry it out from the top. You want to get your fingers behind there and get them close to the clip, and it slides up and out. It's got a hook that hooks down in there. Alright, the next thing you're going to do is we're going to remove this little cover off of this screw right here. And let me see what size this is. I can't remember. It's kind of dark right here. Let's see. Torx 20, so T20. You're going to remove this bolt. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to pry this light out very carefully, get behind the edge of it, and you know, the clips behind here are kind of at the top and bottom, so if you go in kind of at the top right there, you see that little clip, you can slide this guy out and it just makes things a lot easier. So you can just unplug this light, and that bulb's a little bit hot. Let me grab it with my shirt. But anyway, we're going to set this to the side, because as you pull the door panel off, you're going to yank that wire out anyway. So the thing we're going to do is kind of come up behind this door handle right here and pop this guy out. It's pretty flexible, so you don't have to worry a whole lot about breaking it or anything. But you pop that guy out, and then you're going to pop this guy out right here. And be pretty careful with this, but you'll come in the front, just pry that guy out right there. I mean, I'm doing all this mostly with one hand. So you've got a 7mm bolt there, got one behind the door handle, and I think that was it for the bolts. You got a Christmas tree right here, so as you're pulling the door handle off, you can pop it out, or you can try to pull it out now like that. That's what we call a Christmas tree in the mechanic world. So once you pull this bolt out and this bolt out, I'll show you what to do next. Alright, got those two screws out. The next thing you're going to do, I just kind of popped it loose so I could do it with one hand, but you're going to just very carefully pop this thing out. And it looks like this one was already broken right here. It feels like it's got a screw in it, so probably what you want to do is go ahead and take the door panel off, or loosen it up and take that screw out, obviously. But somebody's had these door panels off before, so it's already broken. So basically you're just gonna kind of point this guy down in here, and all you got to do at this point is pick straight up on the door panel. It's got several hooks on it like that, and there's two at the bottom and one right there, and that's what holds it. And then you just let that door handle slide through the hole. And I'm just putting mirrors on here, so I'm gonna leave it like this. But you know, if you wanted to take the door panel all the way off, you're just gonna unplug this guy right here, which I'll just go ahead and do it just for you guys. But you'll unplug that power seat switch if your truck is equipped with that. Otherwise, it's not there. So anyway, that's how to get the door panel off. It's actually really easy, and it looks like I need to replace a speaker. It's funny because it sounded fine. I haven't heard any funny noises, but yeah, that speaker's pretty trashed. Anyway, I hope this was helpful. Hope you guys enjoyed, and you know, leave a comment, like the video, subscribe. We'll see you next time.